Good morning everyone. We will study social studies. So today's chapters are political division of India means भारत का राजनीतिक विभाजन. So first chapters are 4 and dates are 29/7/2020 and chapters political division of India भारत का राजनीतिक विभाजन. So first India is the 7th largest country. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It has over 1 billion people living in it. It is over 1 billion people living in it. It has second most popular country in the world. India is most popular country, second in the world. Only China has more populations than our country in the world. So right now our political division of India. Chapters 4 political division of India. So India is the 7th largest country, and India become independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. India become independent from British rule on 15 August 1947. This meant the independence gave us the right to choose our own government. So draw the India map. Draw the India map. This is India map. India map is states of 28. So Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and this is north of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and these sides west side and east west north east west north south. North side, south, east and west. West. So total states are 28. The 28 and the government in our country is elected by the people of India. The government looks after the need and welfare of the people and safety of the country. The main topics are political divisions. भारत का राजनीतिक विभाजन. So this is India map, and the India map show the India politicals. The show the India India politicals. You know, so this is this is India map, and India is the seventh largest country in the world. India has over the billions people living in it. It is the second most popular country. It is world. Only China has more populations than our country in the world. You know, India became independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. So, the topics are political division of India, and this India maps all the states, the border lines of India, the border lines, the border. This is Gujarat, and Gujarat, this is border line, and all the India maps states are all the borders. This is called the political division. So today's are very most important lines of 28 states in the India, and every states the political division of India. So only welfare, the government looks after the need and welfare of the peoples. So thank you watching my video.